What is given in the 17th question? Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. Okay. Now this is our AP. So first of all, we will write the given sequence. Okay. So first term of the sequence is what? 3. Next is what? 8. Next is 13. And so on. The sequence is up to 253. Okay. So ये हमारा A1 या फिर A है. This is our A2. This is our A3 and this is our last term AN. Okay. Now, first of all, we will find the common difference. Now, the common difference D is given by. What is the common difference? Yes. What is the common difference? 5. Correct. 8 minus 3, it will come 5. 5 will be the common difference. Now what they have said, we have to find the 20th term, but from the last term of the AP. Okay. From the last term of the AP. What is the formula for our nth term of the AP? Nth term of the AP is given by AN, which is equal to
A in bracket A plus in bracket n minus 1
multiplied by D.
D.
ओके. तो अभी यहाँ पे ये जो ए है हमारा, ये फर्स्ट टर्म है. हमको फर्स्ट टर्म की जगह पे क्या लेना है? हमको लास्ट टर्म लेना है. ओके. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 253 विल कम हियर. ओके. बिकॉज वी हैव टू फाइंड द 20th टर्म फ्रॉम द लास्ट टर्म ऑफ द एपी. ओके. तो आप ए के जगह पे 253 को लोगे. एन इज व्हाट? 20 माइनस 1. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा A20. हाँ. ओके. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय डी हमने फाइंड किया है ऑलरेडी. इट इज 5. सो 253, हाउ मच इट इज कमिंग? No, no, no. First of all, we will have to reverse the AP. Then we will find it. Wait a minute. ओके. ये हमारा ओरिजिनल एपी था. अभी एपी अगर हम लोग रिवर्स कर देंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? फर्स्ट पे आ जाएगा 253. ओके. 253 से 5 कम करने के बाद यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 248. यहाँ पे 5 कम करने के बाद यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 243. लाइक दिस द सीक्वेंस इज अप टू 3. ओके. ये रिवर्स कर दिया हमने अभी इसको. ओके. नाउ the nth term of the AP, nth term of the AP is given by, okay, so AN, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Now the common difference D will become -5. हाँ. ओके. क्योंकि हमने AP को रिवर्स किया है तो पहले +5 आ रहा था तो अभी -5 आएगा. सो A20 विल बी व्हाट? 253 plus 20 minus 1 multiplied by -5. Now calculate it. How much it comes? How much it comes? Now calculate it. 158, correct. 253 minus 95 हो जाएगा वो. Okay, क्योंकि 20 minus 1 is what? 19, and 19 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 95. So 158. So 158 is the answer. Is it clear to you? See the next question then. Now the sum of the fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24 and the sum of the sixth and 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. तो अभी अभी फर्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स निकालना है हमको AP का. तो हमको सबसे पहली बात, यस यस अनुष्का, यू कैन यूज दैट फॉर्मूला. ए की जगह पे आपने एल लिखा है, दैट इज लास्ट टर्म. यस, यू कैन यूज इट. ओके. So the sum of fourth and eighth terms of the AP is 24. अभी हमको फर्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स फाइंड करना है ये एपी के. तो हमको कॉमन डिफरेंस डी भी लगेगा और फर्स्ट टर्म भी लगेगा, तब जाके हम लोग पहले तीन टर्म्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो अभी जो कुछ भी हमको गिवन है हम लोग पहले वो लिखते हैं. सो व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस? A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. Okay. And again, what is given? A6 plus A10 which is equal to 44. Okay. तो यहां से हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? A plus 3D. A4 के जगह पे हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? A plus 3D. और A8 के जगह पे हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? A plus 7D which is equal to 24. From here, what we can write in place of A6? A plus 5D. और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा A plus 9D. हमने बस nth टर्म ऑफ द AP का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया है, A4, A8, A6 और A10. Now A plus A, it will become 2A, and 3D plus 7D, it will become 10D, which is equal to 24. Okay. And in the second case, what it will become? 2A plus 9 plus 5, it will become 14D, which is equal to 44. Okay. Now we can simplify the equations. A plus 5D, which is equal to 12. और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? A plus 7D, which is equal to 22. Now solve these equations by elimination method. Yes. Who will solve it by elimination method? Which operation I will have to perform? I will perform subtraction, correct? Okay. So this A will get cancelled. So 5D minus 7D is minus 2D, which is equal to 12 minus 22 is what? Minus 10. So D will come equal to 5. Okay. Now, once we get the value of D, what we will do? Put D is equal to 5. हम इसको equation 1, इसको equation 2 नाम देते हैं. D is equal to 5 in equation 1. Okay. तो A plus 5 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 12. So A plus 25 which is equal to 12. So A will be equal to what? 12 minus 25. A will come what? Minus 13, correct. A will come minus 13. Okay. Now we are having the first term also. We are having the common difference also. So now we need to find the first three terms of the AP. तो अभी A2 क्या आ जाएगा फिर? Second term A2, what it will become? It will be what? ए प्लस डी। तो ए कितना है मेरा -13, +5 करने के बाद ये आ जाएगा -8। और थर्ड टर्म क्या आएगा? थर्ड टर्म दैट इज A3, इट इज नथिंग बट A2 में डी ऐड करना है। तो A2 है मेरा -8 और +5, it will come -3. Okay, so the AP will be like this. First term is what? -13. Next term is what? -8. Next term is what? -3, and so on. Okay. See the next one. Now it's a worded problem. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach to 7,000? यानी अभी स्टार्टिंग में उसकी सैलरी कितनी है? 5,000 है। हर साल 200 रुपए से उसकी सैलरी इंक्रीज होती है यानी नेक्स्ट ईयर इट विल बिकम 5,200। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट ईयर इट विल बिकम 5,400 एंड लाइक दिस द सीक्वेंस गोज अप टू 7,000। ओके, सो दिस इज A1 या फिर A, दिस इज A2, दिस इज A3, दिस इज AN। ओके, लास्ट टर्म ऑफ दिस सीक्वेंस। यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हो the sequence is, okay, so now initially it is 5,000 and after n years it is 7,000, so we have to find the value of n only. So now first we will find out the common difference. अभी यहाँ पे हमको पता है कि common difference 200 है क्योंकि हर साल ₹200 से सैलरी इंक्रीज हो रहा है, but still we will find the common difference. Now common difference D is given by D is equal to what? A2 minus A1, which is equal to 5,200 minus 5,000, which is equal to 200. Okay. Now, nth term of the AP. We will use the formula of nth term of the AP. Nth term of the AP is given by, okay, nth term of the AP is given by AN, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, so AN is what? It is 7,000. A is what? It is 5,000. Plus we have to find the value of n and common difference is 200. So ये 5,000 उधर शिफ्ट कर दो, ये हो जाएगा 7,000 minus 5,000, that is 2,000. 200 को भी इधर शिफ्ट कर दो, it will be equal to n minus 1. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So 20 divided by 2 is what? 10, which is equal to n minus 1. So n will come equal to 11. And after 11 years, his salary will become 7,000. हर साल 200 increase कर करके after 11 years it will reach to 7,000. So what will be the year? 1995 में आप 11 जोड़ दो, 600. In 2006, the salary of Subbarao will become 7,000. Write down the final answer also. चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज, हु विल टेल मी द सॉल्यूशन? चलो, हु वांट्स टू ट्राई दिस? Just form the AP, you will get everything after that. Who will give the solution of this question? पिछले क्वेश्चन जैसा ही है. ओके, जस्ट राइट डाउन द सीक्वेंस फर्स्ट, उसके बाद आपको n का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. Okay, I will give you 1 minute. You try this first, then give me the solution. No one is able to give the solution. It's quite easy. इतना कुछ hard नहीं है ये question. Just you have to find the value of n. First write down the sequence. जैसा हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में किया था वैसा ही करना है बस. ओके विराज, 10th वीक. ओके, so what I will have to do first, I will have to write the sequence. The sequence is, okay, so first we will read the question. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings became rupees 20.75, find n. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वीक जो है उसमें उसने 5 रुपीज सेव किए थे और फिर वो सेविंग जो है 1.75 रुपीज से इंक्रीज हुई है हर वीक में. सो व्हाट इट विल बिकम? 6.75. again it has increased again it has increased by 1.75. so 6.75 plus 1.75, 8.5 it will become, and like this it goes up to 20.75. so this is my a1 या फिर a, this is my a2, this is a3, and this is an. Okay, now the common difference, we know it is 1.75, but still we will write it now. The common difference d is given by d is equal to a2 minus a1, which is equal to 6.75 minus 5 will be equal to 1.75. Now the nth term of the AP is given by an, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, so 20.75, a is what 5, n हमको find करना है और d है हमारे पास 1.75. so we will shift this 5 here. so 20.75 minus 5, how much it comes? 15.75. ओके, और ये 1.75 को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे, विल बी इक्वल टू n माइनस 1. Calculate this. It will come how much? It will come 10, I think so. No, no, no. 15.75 na. It will come 9. Okay. 9 which is equal to n minus 1. So n will be equal to 10. So after 10 weeks, her weekly savings will become rupees 20.75. Write down the final statement also. Okay. Okay. The last exercise of this chapter, that is exercise 5.3. अभी यहाँ पे एक्सरसाइज 5.3 के लिए हमको सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स ऑफ द एपी वाला फॉर्मूला मोस्टली यूज करना पड़ेगा. यस, हु विल टेल मी द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स ऑफ द एपी? Sum of n terms of the AP. What is the formula? Sum of n terms of the AP. What is the formula? Okay, Anushka Gilda, it's correct. N by 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, so what is the formula? Sn, which is equal to n by 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. What is the other formula for sum of n terms of the AP? One more formula I showed you. What is the other formula for sum of n terms of the AP? Correct. Sn will be equal to n by 2 a plus an. A यानी फर्स्ट टर्म, an यानी लास्ट टर्म. अगर आपको फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म अगर पता है तो you can use this formula also. Now this AP is given. Find the sum of the following APs: 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Okay, 10 terms are there in this AP. So the given sequence is first term is what? 2. Second term is what? 7. Next term is what? 12. And the sequence goes up to 10th term. We don't know the 10th term. Okay. Suppose this is A10. This is A1, या फिर A. This is A2. This is A3, and it goes up to 10th term A10. Now common difference D is required. Common difference D is given by D is equal to A2 minus A1. Okay. D is equal to A2 minus A1. So 7 minus 2, it will come equal to 5. Okay. Now we will use this formula. Now sum of n terms of AP is given by, okay, we have to find the sum of 10 terms. So S10 will be equal to, first we will write the formula. First we will write the formula in the first step. Sn, which is equal to n by 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay. Now we will put the values. S10 will be equal to 10 by 2. 2 multiplied by a कितना है? 2 है, plus 10 minus 1 multiplied by d कितना आ जाएगा? d हमने कैलकुलेट किया, इट इज 5. ओके, कैलकुलेट दिस, हाउ मच इट कम्स? 49. 5 into 49, how much it will come? 245 is the sum. Okay. फर्स्ट 10 टर्म्स का सम क्या है? ये एपी का 245 है. Okay. Now you try this one. First, write down the given sequence, then find out the common difference. After that, use the formula of sum of n terms of the AP. Try this one. Okay, sum is what? 180. Minus 180. Okay, okay. Yes, we will check it. Common difference D is given by D is equal to A2 minus A1. तो -33 माइनस ऑफ -37, तो कॉमन डिफरेंस +4 आ जाएगा. ओके, कॉमन डिफरेंस विल कम +4. नाउ we will use the formula of sum of n terms of the AP. Okay, so Sn, which is equal to n by 2 in bracket twice A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, तो S12 फाइंड करना है. यहाँ पे हमको 12 टर्म्स का सम फाइंड करना है. सो 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 विच इज इक्वल टू 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय फर्स्ट टर्म इज -37 प्लस 12 minus 1 multiplied by common difference D is what? 4. तो यहाँ पे 12 divided by 2 it will come 6. Now 37 twos are how much it will come? 60 plus 14 minus 74 it will come. Okay, 12 minus 1 is what? 11. 11 into 4 is 44. Okay, so 6 in bracket what it will come? -30 it will come. So the final answer will be negative. -180 will be the sum of first 12 terms of this AP. -180 will be the sum of first 12 terms of this AP. Okay, try this one. See your CWs, I have corrected it, but your assignment books and extra question notebooks, I have not seen it. Test notebooks also I have corrected it because the books were many and time was less for correction. So from next time, you just submit me the CWs and your test notebooks only whenever I say to submit the books in school. Okay. You will not submit the assignment book and extra questions notebook because it is for your practice. And I will collect it at the last, at the end of the year, that extra questions notebook also and assignment notebook also. Okay, 5505. Only one student got the answer. What about others? 5505. What is the common difference here? What is the common difference? 1.1. Okay. चलो मैं डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करता हूँ. Multiplied by d. Huh? So I have to find 100 terms. So S100 will be equal to 100 divided by 2. Now 2 into 0.6 plus 99. 100 minus 1, it will become 99, multiplied by d कितना आया है? 1.1. So what it will become? 50, which is equal to, this will become 1.2, and 99 multiplied by 1.1, how much it comes? 108.9. Okay, 108.9. ओके. अब ये दोनों को ऐड करने के बाद कितना आ रहा है? ये 1.2 एंड 108.9, 110.1. ओके. Do the product of this, you will get 5505. Okay. So here the sum of 100 terms is coming 5505. Okay. This one, 33 by 20. Okay. 33 by 20. Okay. So again, if we directly apply the formula, you don't write directly, huh? You have to write stepwise. Multiplied by d. Okay. So यहाँ पे S11, what it will become? 11 by 2. 2 multiplied by 1 by 15 plus n is what? It will become 10. N minus 1 means 11 minus 1, it will become 10. Common difference d, how much it came? D is equal to 1 by 60. Okay. So solving this will become 5.5. This will become 2 by 15. And the 0 cancel, plus 1 by 6. Okay. So 5.5 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. ये 12 प्लस 15 यानी ये 27 अपॉन 15. 6 is how much? 90. So what it will come? 5.5 multiplied by 9 threes are 10s are. Okay. So 5.5 multiplied by 0.3. How much it comes? Okay, you are writing the answer in terms of fraction only. No problem. तो हम लोग 5.5 को फिर से 11/2 लिख देंगे, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3/10 कर देंगे. तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? 33/20 आ जाएगा. ओके. 33/20 is the correct answer. See, you can try the second question also. Okay, second question आप लोग try करेंगे घर पे ही. You will solve it in the CW. Third question is also formula based. Third question is also homework. Second and third question of this exercise are homework. Okay. Second and third question, you do it at home only. From fourth question, we will start worded problems. Okay. Tomorrow. If you are having doubt, I will definitely explain it. But you try it by yourself. Second and third question, you will complete it in the CW. Today you are going to get the CWs, na? No extra questions notebook I have not checked because the time was less and books were many. So I have just checked your CWs. Now from next time what we will do, we will plan it and accordingly we will collect the books, because what happens, बुक्स बहुत ज्यादा हो जाते हैं और टाइम कम होता है तो करेक्शन करना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. So from next time we will plan it, which book to submit and which not to submit. Accordingly we will check it. Your CWs are checked and I have the record also. Those students who have submitted the CW, और वहां पे भी बहुत से बच्चों का इनकम्प्लीट है, जिन लोगों ने सबमिट किया है उसमें इनकम्प्लीट है. I don't know, Sarang, will the teachers be present? You can ask your class teacher. Your test notebook and your CWs are checked. Okay. We will stop here. Tomorrow we will continue with the fourth question of exercise 5.3.